Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Ojo Billionaire Academy. You're welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to claim millions of TU7 tokens. I'm going to show you how you can claim millions of the token. So if you are new to my channel, kindly click the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, and also click the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload videos like this, so that you'll be the first to watch them. Upload videos on how to make money online, how to earn free crypto, and how to use some life hacks. You can check through my videos and you see some of these videos here. So guys, let's move straight to our Trust Wallet. That's where we'll be claiming the CU7 token. So guys, this video actually is going to be like a two-way video as well, because I'm going to be showing you how to create multiple wallets, because this contract and this CU7, I don't really know. I did some findings about them, but I can't really tell how legit it is. So we'll require to create another wallet so that we can claim the airdrop with another wallet. So this is how to create a new wallet on your Trust Wallet. You just click on you come here to your setting. Yeah, let me show you. You come here to on when you open your Trust Wallet, you come to your setting right here. This place, you click on it. When you click on your setting, it will take you to this interface you are seeing right here. Then you click on wallets. Excuse me. You click on wallet. When you open wallet, then you see an icon here, this plus icon. You click on it, then it will take you to create a new wallet. So you say all you need to do is to create a new wallet. You to understand. And guys, that's how to create a new wallet. It will send you a 12 phrase. That 12 phrase, you cannot keep it very secured, because that's what you will be using for this. So guys, let's just go ahead. I'll have to pause this video here so that you don't so that I can secure my 12 phrase. Okay guys, we are back. I've created the wallet. So this is the wallet, the um wallet. This is it. So this is the new wallet I just created. So guys, we'll head over here. If you've created your own wallet, we'll head over to this place. This place right here, we'll click there to add the U7. You just search for anything, just search for any, type any word. So when it comes out, you click here, add customize. Now guys, let's head over to where I paste the CU7 contract so that we can copy it from there. Now I'm also going to drop this contract, this smart contract, on the description video, and also I'll drop it on my channel, my Telegram channel. So just go there, copy it and paste it. So if you paste it guys, yes, this is it. If you paste it, I think is on Binance Smart Chain. Binance Smart Chain, yes, this is the contract address. So this is it guys. So guys, let's add it manually. Let's add here 9, here TU7. I'm coming, let me be sure of something. Yes, TU7.org. You put TU7.org. Same thing here. TU7.org. So you click done. So guys, you see automatically I have 7.127 TU7 tokens. So this is it guys. So this is the token. It's been added. This is it right here in my wallet. So it's been added guys. Why did I ask you to use a different wallet, separate wallet? So this token, I did some research on it. I won't tell if it is a scam token or is legit, but I just believe it will be legit. So there's nothing to lose since it's free. You just have to partake on the airdrop. So but try as much as you can to use a different wallet, so that even though it's a scan token, there's nothing will happen to your wallet you have your access on. So this is, you can see I have zero access on this wallet. So anything that's happened, I have nothing to lose. So if this token ends up to be legit, so that's fine. So, but if you head over to this platform, um if you head over to Pancakeswap, it seems there's a way you can swap it on Pancakeswap. The coin is on Pancakeswap. If you go to Pancakeswap, this is Pancakeswap. There's a way. Yes, let's connect our Pancakeswap to the wallet. Now let's search for this coin. So, no. So guys, you can see this is the token right here. I can import the token. So guys, I've been able to import the token. So let's do it the other way around and see maximum of it. We are swapping maximum. So we need 14 million of it to get 1 BNB. Price impact too high. So guys, you see there's no way we can swap it. So for now, it's saying the price impact too high. So that's it. That's why I said just should, in case it ends up being something positive, we can then, let me try exchange at 2 to see if it will still swap. So guys, you can as well create multiple wallets and claim it at multiple times as you want. So you can claim multiple wallets and claim it maybe 20, 30, 40 times, depending on how many wallets you want to have. You can claim it so many times and send all of them to maybe one particular wallet. So guys, there's no limit to how many you can claim. So you can, if you want to get 100 wallets, you can get 100 wallets. So and ensure that you claim it. So this is it. Even on the 2, it's still not going. So guys, this is it. But I think they have a site. They have a site. Their site, this is TU7.org. They have a site. This is their site. It's loading. So this is their site. It says get a drop. Click. Please switch wallet and try again. It's telling me to switch wallet and try again. So this is their site, guys. The claim. Okay, sorry, it's on BNB. It's on Ethereum. Okay guys, let me just end the video here. So guys, this is it, how to claim the TU7 token. I have my token right here, so I can create another wallet again and I claim another 7 million. So guys, that's it. So guys, see you in our next video. Remember to click the subscribe button, subscribe to this channel, like it so that this video will reach other people. Also share to friends and family. You can also join my Telegram group where I will drop the smart contract of this TU7 address there. Thank you guys.